These are youth protecting Agugu police station. These are the great youths protecting the station against hoodlums. We still have some reasonable youth around us. The station is being protected against hoodlums.
I'm protecting it.
Agugu youth are saying nothing will happen to the station.
They are good boys from Agugu.
Good boys from Agugu are protecting the station. All the youth are out here to protect the station.
Yes, the police. They are
protecting the police.
The barracks.
The youth are our friends. Nothing will happen to the station.
That nobody will destroy the police station. We are the bonders.
Yes.
That they are indigenous of this place. That they will not allow them to come and burn their station. That the station is their own station. Yes. That they will not allow them. They will not allow the hoodlums. Only the to burn the police station.
Yes.
Because of the good relationship between them and the youth of Agugu.
These are the good people of Agugu.
These are the good
They are
people of
protecting
Agugu.
us because of the good relationship we have with them.
Yes.
Nothing will happen to Agugu police station.
Yes.
That's what they are saying.
Yes.
No hoodlums were inside Agugu. But the youth stand for us.
Of Agugu,
There's
all
two
of
for
them,
us.
they came out, they attacked them and they chased them away. They chased them away. They chased all of them away. The youth of Agugu, they are very, very responsible. They are very reliable youth. All the Agugu youth, they are very, very reliable.
From Koloko, from Ijobi, from Odiaje, Agugu Oja. They are here to protect us. Nothing Aremo, Belekale, Ajegede, from Ololu. They are all here to protect the station. Kokoro and his boys are also here to protect the boys, to protect the station. Nothing will happen to Agugu police station. That's what they are saying.